When most people hear climate change, they think of rising temperatures, melting glaciers, or wild storms on the news. But what if I told you there's another crisis happening right alongside it? One that's quieter, often overlooked, but just as destructive. Welcome to the story of biodiversity loss and how it's tangled up with our planet's changing climate. In this video, I'm digging into how climate change and biodiversity loss are basically two sides of the same coin. I'll walk you through what's happening to our planet's species, show you some mind-blowing tech that's helping out, and break down why the future of human life hangs on solving both crises together. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to share some real-world success stories and how you can be part of the solution. Let's start with the basics. Every day, species vanish. Plants, animals, insects that have been here for thousands or even millions of years. And it's not just the rare ones. Pollinators like bees, marine life like coral, even entire ecosystems are disappearing. Over 1 million species are now threatened with extinction. In just 50 years, nearly 70% of wildlife populations have crashed. It's a silent emergency, fueled by habitat destruction, pollution, overconsumption, and, more, by climate change. Here's the real kicker: climate change and biodiversity loss aren't separate problems. They feed off each other. As temperatures climb, wildfires, floods, and droughts wipe out the homes of thousands of species. The oceans are getting more acidic, bleaching coral reefs, the nurseries of marine life. And as forests fall or die off, we lose our planet's natural carbon absorbers, making global warming even worse. It's a dangerous feedback loop. Climate change causes biodiversity loss, and biodiversity loss makes climate change harder to stop. And why does this matter? Because when ecosystems collapse, it's not just wildlife at risk. It's our food, our water, the very air we breathe. Everything's connected. Lose one species and entire food chains start to crumble. When forests go, so does the climate stability they give us. This isn't some far-off problem. It's happening here, now, and the ripple effects touch every corner of the globe. But here's where it gets hopeful. Yes, the damage is real, but so is the potential for recovery. Around the world, scientists, conservationists, and innovators are rolling up their sleeves. New technology is helping nature get a second chance. Let's talk about climate tech. Gene editing and synthetic biology, tools like CRISPR, are helping scientists protect endangered species by boosting disease resistance and genetic diversity. Carbon capture machines are pulling CO2 from the air, taking some pressure off fragile ecosystems. And drones? They're replanting forests, monitoring animal populations, even spotting poachers in real time. Imagine coral reefs growing faster with 3D printed structures underwater, or AI predicting whale migrations to avoid ship strikes. It's not sci-fi, it's happening right now. And there are real success stories. The California condor, once extinct in the wild, is back thanks to breeding, habitat protection, and passionate communities. In Europe, rewilding projects have turned barren land into thriving homes for wild horses, bison, and birds. Thanks to tech and teamwork, hope is real. So what needs to happen now? Tech is awesome, but it's not enough. We need stronger environmental laws, sustainable farming, and land use that respects nature. Education, community action, and global teamwork are key. Because the climate crisis isn't just about weather, it's about life itself. And what can you do? Educate yourself and others, vote for leaders who get it, support sustainable brands, donate to conservation groups, share this video and start more conversations. Every action counts, big or small. In the end, climate change isn't just about numbers, it's about survival, of ecosystems, of species, of us. The future isn't written yet. Together we can rewrite the ending. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories on climate, wildlife, and the future of our planet. Turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.